The vowel we are going to learn about today is this one. Can you tell me what letter this is? Yes, this is A. A. This letter is the first vowel we are going to learn about. And the sound A is the short vowel sound of this letter. We are going to learn about the long vowel sound next term. So, this is the vowel A. We are going to make words by adding a consonant to the beginning and the end of the word. So, we will have a consonant, a vowel and another consonant for all our words. Can we make some words using the vowel A? Can you quickly tell me the sound of this vowel? What is it? A. Yes! So let's start our first word. For our first word, let's start our word with this consonant. The consonant with the P sound. This one. And let's take a look here. We have our first letter, which is a consonant. What is the next letter we are going to add? Yes, we are going to add our vowel. What is the sound of our vowel today? A. Yes. So let's add P. A. Now to end this word, we need to add one more consonant. By looking at this, can you tell me what this word can be? We've learned so many words when we were writing rhymes, right? So this word is also a word we learned how to write using rhymes and concepts. It starts with P. It has A in the middle. What can this word be? Pan, you're right. Pan is a word we learned to write with the an rhyme, right? N. So what is the consonant we'll add here? N. Yes. So this is our first word with the vowel A in the middle. We're going to write all words today like this. We will have a vowel. Our vowel today is A in the middle. We're going to add a consonant before the vowel. We're going to add a consonant after the vowel to make our words. Let's see another word. For this word, let's start with this consonant. What is this consonant? N. Yes, let's add N. Now we need to add our vowel A, right? Because all our words will have A in the middle. Now I'm going to add this P as the ending consonant, the ending sound. What is this word? It's nap, nap. The short sleep that you do in the daytime. This is a nap. Nap. We have A in the middle of the word nap. Let's see another word. For this word, I'm going to start with L. Then I'm going to add A. Then P. What is this word? This word is lap. Lap. What is it? It's lap. Lap. The lap is over here, right? When we do our breathing exercise, we keep one hand on our thigh, which is our lap. So, lap, lap. And lap is a rhyme of the word nap, right? They both sound the same. We have ap in nap, ap in lap. Only the beginning sound, the first consonant of the word is different. Yes. Let's see another word. This word is going to start with this consonant. What is this? S. Yes. Then we have A. Then let's add T. What is this word? This word is S-A-T. S-A-T. Sat. Sat is you sit down, but you did it yesterday or a long time ago. We will call it sat. So this is sat. Sat. Let's write this word that starts with R. Then let's add our vowel A. And let's add the same t here also. So what is this word? This word is rat. Rat. The word is rat. Yes, and rat and sat both have the at rhyme. So they both sound the same. The ending sound is the same. Let's see another word. For this word, I'm going to start with t. Then I'm going to add a. So this word is something that we see in the bathroom. Whenever we need to get water in the bathroom, we turn. We will get water from this. What am I talking about? Tap! Yes! So tap is a word that has the vowel in the middle. What is the ending sound for the word tap? What consonant should I add to make the word tap? P. Yes! Let's add P. So this word is tap. Tap. Now let's write this word. Let's start this word with Let's add our vowel a. Then let's add n. So what is this word? This word is man. What is the word? It's man. Good. Now can we try and write the word ran? We all write the word ran in our book. What is the beginning sound we will add? What is the consonant that we will use as the beginning sound for the word ran? R. Yes, let's add R. Then, what is the middle sound? A. Yes, A is the middle sound for all our words, which is the vowel, right? What is the ending sound for the word ran? What is the consonant that will be the ending sound? Yes, let's add So this word is ran. Our next word can be a word that rhymes with the word ran. So, which means it ends with the same sounds. Let's all add a as the middle sound, as the ending sound, just like the word ran. So what can this word be? This is something that we have in our house, in our bedroom and other rooms. It is something we have on top in the ceiling. It rotates and it gives us air. What is it? Fan! Yes! Fan is a word that has the sound in the end. So let's add the beginning sound. What is the beginning sound for the word fan? Yes! Is the consonant we're going to add as the beginning sound. So this word is fan. Next, let's think about something that we wear on our head when we want to protect our head from the sun. What do we wear on our head to keep the sun away? A cap. Yes, we wear a cap. Can you tell me the beginning sound for the word cap? Yes, can you write it in your notebook? Can you write ka? Good job. So this is ka. What do we need to add next? A. Yes, for all our words today, the middle sound is the vowel a, the short vowel sound. What is the ending sound? What is the consonant that is the ending sound for cap? P. Yes, let's add P. So, have you written all these words in your notebook? Good job! Can we go over the words and try saying them out loud together? Okay, so what is this word? This word is pan. This one is nap. What is this? Lap. Sat. Rat. Tap. man. R-A-N, ran. F-A-N, fan. K-A-P, cap. Did you say all these words out loud with me? Good job!
For more educational videos, activity ideas, interesting stories and expert parenting tips, just click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon.